Here's an example of a geometric sequence where you have a penny jar. It starts off with 1 penny, and then every day you double that amount. And remember, you can pause this video. So step 1 is to write a sequence to represent this scenario. So day 1, 1 cent. Day 2, we're now doubling it. So now we're at 2 cents. On day 3, we double it again, so 4 cents. And then 8 cents. And then 16 cents. And goes on for the rest of the month. Part B, write a recursive formula for this scenario. So remember, the recursive formula starts with term 1. Term 1 is 1 cent. Then T sub n equals, and we need to find out what is the common ratio. So the common ratio is taking any value, term, so I'm going to start with term 2, and divide it by term 1. And 2 over 1 is 2, so we are doubling that amount. So now we say 2, and then T sub n minus 1. The next thing is to identify the explicit formula. The explicit formula for a geometric sequence is T sub 1, r raised to the n minus 1. Term 1, again, is 1 cent. The common ratio is 2 raised to the n minus 1. Now, let's write the sum formula. The sum formula is a geometric series and then write the sigma notation. And that will be our explicit formula off to the right here. So it'll be 0.01, 2 raised to the n minus 1. The last thing is to calculate how much you would have at the end of the month, assuming you have 30 days. So we're going to use the series formula here. Again, remember, you can pause this problem set. All right, so S sub 30, remember term 1 is 0.01, 1 minus R, and R we said to be 2, raising it to the 30th power, and then 1 minus R. Now we have some simplifying to do, so you want to make sure you use your appropriate orders of operation. So 1 minus 2 raised to the 30th, and then divided by 1 minus 2. And now multiply that by 0.01, and the value is $10,737,418.23. The next thing is, how much would you have on the 10th day? So we'd use that explicit formula on the 10th day. So T sub 10, term 1 again was 0.01, common ratio was 2, and we're going term 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Be careful with your calculator. Times 2, raising it to the 9. On day 10, you would have $5.12.